Hey everybody, Jeremy, your all-pro home inspector here again. We're underneath a house that has had a leak. Cold days. We've got a duct line here, that's what you're looking at, that was full of water. This is for the HVAC system. And it is split, as you can see, at the bottom where the pressure just got too great. The water is just pouring out of it. Some sort of bathroom leak due to this house was foreclosed. And the HVAC system was not on, so the heat was not able to keep this house from freezing, and the water line busted and caused the water to run down to the HVAC duct lines, which is what we got here, full of water. And so this is going to have to be taken care of. Just another tip from your all-pro home inspector, Jeremy Martin. Take care.